January was a good month for cryptocurrency. And in this video, I want to give you 5 altcoins to watch here, not only in February, but for the remainder of 2023. And it comes after all 5 of these altcoins saw double-digit gains in the month of January. And we're going to start with the newcomer in the layer 1 space, and that's Aptos. Aptos roughly went up 470% in the last 30 days. That's not a typo. 470% in the last 30 days for Aptos. Let me take you inside the screen share real quick, guys, and show you what I mean here. Check this out. So Aptos is right up there. We've got Gala Games, which also saw a massive spike here in January, up 253% roughly in the last 30 days. Threshold up 190%. Look at Decentraland coming all the way up 165%. And Solana saw a great resurgence as well, nearly 160% gain here. Aptos launched in October, right when ClearCryptos launched, actually in 2022. Aptos is a relatively new blockchain in the layer 1 space, which leverages the technology of Facebook's discarded project Libra. It carries significant face value based on its executive team, composed of former Meta engineers who also built the Move programming language to make the chain scalable and decentralized. A lot has been said about Aptos, but you can't deny these type of gains. A lot of people going back and forth. Is it being manipulated or not? I think a lot of people are looking at Aptos similar to how they looked at Solana back in 2021. We don't have enough information really to say anything more than that, other than the tech is good. The people behind the project understand what it takes to have success in crypto. They built out something fantastic, and Libra just never really came to fruition. Now, Gala Games, a little bit more solidified crypto company. And Gala has also benefited from the excess negative positioning in the futures market. The gain in Gala from 2 cents to 7 cents could be primarily attributed to wipeout of short positions. And really, there's been some great news with Gala as well, though, right? The acquisition of Ember Entertainment and just their pivot to mobile has a lot of people excited about the future of Gala. Threshold was born from the merger of 2 projects, Keep Network and New Cipher, which have combined their techs to build a decentralized bridge network. Node operators on the Threshold network stake the platform's native token T and Ether to validate the transfers between Bitcoin and Ethereum. This tech was borrowed from Keep Network, while NuCypher adds a layer of privacy to the protocol. Decentraland, big metaverse player. We know that it's one of the earliest metaverse projects with a massive, massive opportunity to capture the future Web3 market and a large market share of it. Nice to see that it bounced up. A lot of that was due to technical analysis as well. Solana benefited from excess negative sentiment finally around the blockchain's future. And you know what? A lot of help from a competitor as well. Vitalik Buterin had some nice things to say, and it seems like right after that, Solana started running hot. And it seems like it's, basically getting a little bit further removed from the whole FTX saga that happened in November 2022. So those are 5 altcoins to certainly keep your eye on here, as they've made some massive gains in the first month of 2023. It's Aptos, it's Gala, it's Threshold, it's Decentraland, and it's Solana. Keep those ones on your radar. Let me know if you guys have any others down below. Drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe right here to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. We'll see you. Bye.